Welcome to Bangkok. We're about to head out to the temples, I believe. We're gonna go check out all the temples. Okay. Made it to the train station. One token. Boom. All three. Gets little tokens. Let's go. We aren't exactly sure where to go. It worked. This is the SkyTrain. And we are headed to, I almost said churches, but they're not. Palaces. Bangkok is pretty cool so far, honestly. Jen, Chad, what do you think of Bangkok? It's legendary. A lot of people. Here's our train, boy. Alright, I guess we missed it. Yup. I have no idea, to be honest. We're coming. Okay. Right here. Ooh, baby. This is dope. This is my thing. Oh yeah, there we go. On the speedboat, headed to the temples now. Check out the amazing view here. Like $3 per person. That was dope. Ooh, they got some food there. Alright, we got the tuk-tuk. We're going to 4 places on the map that from this guy that we just met. This is the map that we got. So, I think he said first, second. First is over there. Second, third, fourth. I think. I have no clue where we're headed. I don't care. I like how we just pointed at the map, having no confirmation except for a map that a guy just gave us and circled something. Amazing. He's our tour guide for today. Yeah. But he's not with us. That is true. He just told us. So these are for donations, and you put a certain amount in each one, and whatever one like represents how much like you, what class basically. You gotta check out this temple. These are really beautiful. Wow. I love them in the temples, and they're so nice, but sometimes it's just a little too much talking. We got a lot of stuff to see today. free gas, so we just went with it. It's actually about.
Gotta help the homie out, you know?
I doubt that's true, but I guess today's National Food Day. It's pretty cool. I didn't notice this, but everybody's wearing yellow. Jen just pointed out. We just paid $3 for him to take us everywhere. Put your phone away.
Sorry, I'm texting my mom.
Yeah, how do you go bathroom?
The thing I'm gonna spend the most money on here is food.
So we're back on the boat, heading back to the hotel. I think we're gonna stop at the mall, maybe to get some dessert or something. I don't know. But we just got food, and now we're heading back. And we're on the boat.
Oh damn.
We're literally flying.
Pretty nice waves out here today on the Thai Sea.
I don't think it's a sea.
Here we go, Sathorn Pier. This is our stop. Vámonos. Now to the train. How are the temples?
It's dope. Some smiling Buddhas, some relaxing Buddhas. Buddhas that just sat there.
We gotta head to
Top it all.
We're gonna head to Khaosan Road tonight and take a little nap right now. Yeah. Ping pong. What the hell is ping pong?